Hey guys, welcome to Long Naps. Today I'll be showing you how to save Viber medias like photos, videos, and audios on your Android device storage. And now let's dive right in. Now, to download or save the Viber photos, videos, or audios on your Android device from the Viber app, first open the Viber app itself. And after you have opened your Viber app, you can see there is the more option available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see just beside the explore there is the more button with the three dotted icon. Tap over there, and when you are on this settings interface of your account, you can see there is the settings option available for us just above my notes. Tap on that settings like this, and over here you can see the media option available for us just below the calls and messages. First tap on media, but before we enter, do make sure to like and subscribe to our channel guys, because it gives us a lot of support. With that being said, let's tap on the media, and over here you can see there are a lot of options available for us. And particularly if your phone has not been saving your Viber medias like photos, videos, and audios to your phone, you will first be required to tap on this button which says save to gallery. If it has been tapped or untapped or unselected, first turn it on, and the medias will start to be saved to your phone and they will be available on your gallery. And over here at the below of the section, you can see the third or the fourth option. The fourth option, auto download media when connected to Wi-Fi, and it also says allow automatic download of photos, videos, and GIFs over Wi-Fi. And if this function has been untapped, any of either these two, either the auto download media over mobile network or the auto download media when connected to Wi-Fi, your media will not be downloaded to your phone. Now, to download your medias or photos, videos, or audios to your phone, you might want to select one of these. I'll be going to the Wi-Fi and not the mobile network. But if you're stored on Wi-Fi and you're a mobile network user, tap on the mobile network user, and your Viber photos, videos, and audios will start to download on your phone and will be available on your phone storage. And there guys, this is how you save your Viber photos, videos, or audios on your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.